Okay guys, first of all, you're gonna need a cardboard, a bit paper, stapler, cellophane tape, a pen or pencil, scissors, ruler, measuring tape or some kind of rope to measure around your head. And then you cut the cardboard to a round ring shape according to your head measurement just now. And don't bother the boy. After that, fold the big paper like a cylinder shape as per your head measurement. Then cut straight line around it on top and the bottom. After that, use the cellophane tape and stapler to secure. And lastly, you can decorate it with stuff you have at home like fabric, or maybe if you have sticker or whatever you have. And ta-da! Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you at the next video.